So the next step is to build another flange, 1 inch by 1 inch, 90-degree bend, or slightly more than 90 in this case, and curve it to match the door. And after I get the curve of the door in both directions, I'll weld it to the flange that I already installed. And then I can fill any holes that there might be in the sheet metal, which will probably be right here and right here. If I had a power hammer, I could probably do it in one step, the entire piece, but it's difficult to fit more than an inch into the shrinker stretcher that I have, so I make these panels either an inch or less, and that adds one more step to the process to fill in any holes, but it's easy and it's fast. Started building a wide body fender. I finished up the remainder of the B pillar that goes on the outside. It follows the shape of the door, shape of the fender, so I can build my new fenders off of this. I did leave it in about 1/4 of an inch. That way I have some adjustment room so that if the door has to be adjusted in the future before I finish the paint and body work, I have some room. This is all fully welded in. I started on the fender. I'm following the body lines of the car. Put a little filler panel in right here to close it off. But after looking at it, I realized that the fender needs a little bit of an extension into the door. So I'm going to build a panel that will follow the rocker panel on the door and give this shape some more continuity. It's pretty good. It's not perfect. It needs a little bit of body filler and of course to be fully welded. But I like the shape. As I said before, it's pretty mild. It's not an extreme wide body, even though it's going to be 4.5 inches wider than stock. It's still not super wide, in my opinion. So, as a reminder, all of this stuff is going to be expensive eventually. I don't know where I'm going to get the money to build the motor for this car, but I already have the blocks. Have a transmission case, but I'm going to put better gears in it. So please go to patreon.com and look up Pseudo Mechanic. It's pseudo_mechanic. I'm going to put videos on there that are Patreon only, and you can start a subscription for $1 a month or more. So minimum of $1 a month, and you get access to all my videos, including outtakes where I do stuff that makes me look stupid or stupider than normal. And I'm going to have all my how-to videos on Patreon. So I'll show clips of what I've done elsewhere, but the real videos on how to do all of this kind of stuff for anyone that wants to try it themselves is going to be Patreon only. So there's the Impreza.